Welcome to Chromatography. If you're new to Lightroom, this tutorial will guide you through the essential tools for retouching and local adjustments. These features are beginner-friendly, yet powerful, helping you clean up imperfections, enhance your photos, and make precise edits. Whether you're editing portraits, improving landscapes, or creating stunning product shots, these steps will help you achieve professional-looking results. Spot removal. The spot removal tool is your go-to for fixing small imperfections. It has two modes. Clone tool. This copies pixels directly from one area to another. Use it to remove small objects, duplicate textures, or cover up unwanted details. Adjust the size, feather, and opacity to refine your edits. Heal tool. Unlike clone, the heal tool blends the pixels you're copying with the surrounding area, creating a natural look. This tool is perfect for removing blemishes, dust spots, or small distractions. Pro tip: turn on the Visualize Spots option. It highlights all the tiny imperfections in your photo, so you won't miss anything during your cleanup process. Generative AI. Simplify complex edits. Lightroom's new generative AI tools are perfect for beginners who want to tackle complex edits with minimal effort. These tools can remove large objects like cars, people, or distracting elements. Fill gaps seamlessly by analyzing textures, colors, and lighting from the surrounding area. Replace skies or wall textures to completely transform your photo's mood. This feature uses advanced technology to handle edits that would typically require hours of work, now done in seconds. Masking. Precision editing made simple. Masking allows you to adjust specific parts of your photo while leaving the rest untouched. This might sound advanced, but Lightroom makes it easy with beginner-friendly tools. Brush tool. Paint over the areas you want to adjust. For instance, brighten a subject's face or add contrast to a specific area. Adjust the brush size, feather, and flow for more precise control. Linear gradient. Apply gradual changes across a large area, like darkening a sky or fading shadows. It's great for balancing brightness between different parts of your photo. Radial gradient. Create circular or oval adjustments. This tool is ideal for highlighting a subject or adding a subtle vignette effect. AI masking tools. Lightroom's AI-powered masking tools simplify the process even further. Select Subject. Automatically detect and adjust the main subject in your image. Select Sky. Enhance or replace the sky with just one click. Select Background. Make adjustments to the backdrop without affecting your subject. Select People. This feature is perfect for portrait editing. You can choose specific areas like facial skin, eyes, lips, or hair, giving you precise control over your edits. Practical example for beginners. Imagine you've taken a portrait photo, but the sky looks dull and there's a small blemish on the subject's face. Here's how you can fix it. Use the Heal tool to remove the blemish. Adjust the size of the tool to match the imperfection and let Lightroom blend it seamlessly. Apply the Select Sky mask to enhance the sky. Increase the vibrance or replace it with a more dramatic one using the AI tools. Highlight your subject using the radial gradient. Brighten their face slightly to make them stand out. Fine-tune details like eyes, lips, and skin tones using the Select People feature. With just a few clicks, your photo will go from average to amazing. Tips for building confidence in Lightroom. Experiment without fear. Lightroom's edits are non-destructive, meaning you can always go back and undo changes. Start small. Focus on one tool at a time. For example, try mastering the spot removal tool before moving on to masking. Use presets. Presets are pre-designed adjustments that can speed up your workflow and give you a starting point for edits. Practice with masking. Even if it feels intimidating, masking is one of the most useful tools for making your photos stand out. Leverage AI features. These tools save time and make advanced edits accessible, even for beginners. Lightroom's user-friendly design ensures that even the most powerful tools are approachable. By focusing on local adjustments, you can learn how to enhance specific areas of your photos, one step at a time. With practice, you'll feel more confident using these tools and exploring Lightroom's many features.